Hello all, welcome back. Let's see key ethical consideration for AI agents. Privacy and data governance. AI agents often handle sensitive information like financial records or healthcare data. To maintain user trust, it's essential to store these data securely, anonymize it when possible, and limit access to only what is necessary. Compliance with privacy laws like GDPR and HIPAA alongside encryption and regular audits is critical for building trust. Fairness and bias mitigation. AI agents trained on biased datasets can unintentionally discriminate. For instance, a recruiting agent might favor certain demographics, or a loan approval agent might show unfair lending patterns. To prevent this, organizations should use diverse training data, conduct regular bias audits, and monitor outputs to ensure equitable treatment for all users. Accountability and explainability. When an AI agent makes a decision, users need to know how and why that decision was made. By implementing explainable AI techniques and clear escalation process, companies ensure that accountability stays with human overseers rather than being shifted to the AI system. Safety and reliability. In high stakes fields like healthcare or financial management, safety and reliability are critical. This requires rigorous testing in simulated environments, implementing fallback mechanisms to human experts, and regularly evaluating performance to avoid harmful errors. So, how to balance innovation with responsibility? Ethics doesn't strive innovation, it enhances it. By adopting responsible practices, businesses can create AI agents that are not only efficient and cutting edge but also trustworthy and beneficial to society. When ethics are treated as a guiding principle rather than an afterthought, companies can ensure that AI agents serve humanity positively. This approach builds user confidence, minimizes risks, and ensures that AI is a force for good. Thank you for staying with us on this important topic. See you in next session.